Hey guys, I hope you guys really like this makeup video that I created for you guys. It was inspired by Selena Gomez's De Una Vez music video that she made, I think a couple years ago, but I absolutely love this makeup look because it's super natural. I love her dress, I love her hair in this. So I started off by using my pressed powder that I have, and then I went in and I put on a little bit of bronzer, not too much because it just didn't look like she had a ton in the music video, but I did go ahead and I put some on just because that's what I usually do with my all natural, kind of natural makeup looks. I like to look a little bit more bronzed. Then I went in and I just moisturized my lips with just like an all natural moisturizer, stick. And then I just took a look at kind of what she did for her own makeup, and it looked, again, really, really natural. So I went in with my Celestial palette and just chose kind of a shimmery, kind of neutral color to put all over my eyelids. After that, just for the crease of my eyelids, it looks like she had a little bit of depth, so I used this warmer, gosh, I don't even know, like a purpley brown color. And I put that in the crease, just to kind of give my eyelids a little bit of depth. I felt like it was a little bit too much makeup because, again, in her photos, she just looks like she has super light, everyday makeup on. So I kind of brushed some of that off, and then I went in and did some of my eyebrows. So God blessed me with thick eyebrows, but unfortunately in high school I plucked and plucked and plucked and also waxed. So we're filling in some bald spots, guys, especially at the end. But after filling in my eyebrows, I did go in and I always put a waterproof mascara. This is actually a mascara by L'Oreal. I put a waterproof mascara over my eyebrows just to make them set. And then I went in with my blush. This is my favorite blush. I love this blush. I will leave this link down below. I'm from Minnesota. The woman who makes this blush is also from Minnesota. I love this blush. It looks like super all natural. It's all natural ingredients. And anyway, I love this blush and I use it for a lot of my makeup looks. But I just wanted to rub that in because, again, in Selena's video, she doesn't look like she has too much blush or bronzer or anything on. So I brushed some of that away. And then I went in with my L'Oreal, I think this is L'Oreal. Maybe it's Maybelline. I'll leave it linked down below for you guys. But anyway, so I went in with a little bit of winged eyeliner because in her video, it does look like she has a little something on her eyes. So I went in with that. I was really happy with how my winged eyeliner turned out. Then moving on to the lipstick, I just used the Absolute Ruby Red that I have. This is a Maybelline lipstick that I have. And I just pressed really lightly, so it was just kind of a light pink instead of a really deep red. Then I went in to do my mascara. So I curled my eyelashes, of course, first, and then I went in with my first layer of mascara. At the end, I put on another second layer of mascara just to make my eyelashes look a little bit more full. Now on to the hair. I loved how she did her hair, and I loved how she put the flowers in her hair. This was pretty simple to do. It's just your normal half up, half hair down, and I just kept it secure with bobby pins that I had. I also did not show this on camera, but I did go in beforehand and I did put some dry shampoo just to give my hair a little bit of volume before I did pin it up. I thought that just kind of made it look like a little bit more full. Then I went in with my 3-barrel crimper. I bought this off of Amazon. Super easy, super simple to use. I like using this for this makeup video because it looked very similar to what she had. So I crimped my hair on both sides, just kind of the top layers of it because my hair is pretty wavy underneath as it is. So I just only did the top layer, and then I did the back of my head as well. Now, these are the flowers I had laying around my house. I bought the pink ones from Goodwill. The white ones I used for decorations, but didn't really care about them, so they got chopped up. I kind of set this in my hair until I liked the way it looked. And then I went in with my second layer of also mascara. This dress, I found this on Amazon. I will leave this link down below. It's not a direct replica of the dress that she had, but it's pretty darn close. And this is the final look, you guys. I love this look. I haven't even put on the strawberry dress yet, but I just thought this was such a cute look just to wear, honestly, for everyday or pictures. And yeah, anyway, here's the final look. Some of you guys might know that I'm Puerto Rican, so I love doing these kind of Latina-inspired makeup looks. Anyway, you guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And I hope you guys are all doing well. I love you guys all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.